Hello mga kaguro! Ngayon, lumabas na ang bagong DepEd Order number 3 series of 2024 dated February 19, 2024. Amended of DepEd Order number 22 series of 2023 implementing guidelines on the school year calendar of activities for school year 2023-2024 to undersecretaries, assistant secretaries, bureau of service directors, minister basic higher technical education, BARM, and regional directors, schools division superintendent, public school, public elementary and secondary school heads, and other concerned. In line with the commitment of Department of Education, DepEd articulated the matatag agenda to take good care of learners by promoting learner well-being, inclusive education, and a positive learning environment. This department places the highest priority on ensuring the health, safety, and well-being of learners and teachers to ensure that this commitment is fulfilled. DepEd recognizes the claymore to gradually revert the school calendar to the pre-pandemic opening of classes alongside the resounding consensus from extensive consultation with teachers, learners, and relative stakeholders. The same call is echoed by findings of the study conducted by the Philippine Normal University titled Analysis of the Basic Education School Year Calendar in the Philippine Input Policy PNU 2023. In light of this consideration, the provision of Part 5, Enclosure Number 1 of DepEd Order Number 22, Series of 2023 entitled Implementing Guidelines on the School Calendar and Activities of School Years 2023-2024, space number 7, 26, 20 shall be amended as follows. Item number 3, number 7, adjusted of date of end of school year shall be May 31, 2024, Friday. At item number 3 and number 26, the school calendar awards committee shall deliberate on awards and recognizes not later than 3 calendar days before end of school year rights for the following: A. Learners who shall receive the recognition and awards, and the learners who shall be candidates for the graduation. Item number 3, number 28, end of school year break shall be June 1 to July 26, 2024, Friday. Okay? Yan ang ating end of school year. End of school year this year. The following pertinent section of monthly calendar of activities, quarterly examination shall be scheduled as follows. Our academic quarter number 3, March 25, 26, 2024. Academic quarter number 4, May 16, 17, 2024. End of school year rights shall be May 29 to 31, 2024. However, under exceptional circumstances, the school may conduct end of school rights on June 21, 2024, Saturday, upon consultation with teachers and parents. This order shall take effect immediately upon its approval and posting on the DepEd website. This shall be registered in the Office of National and Administrative Register Honor at the University of the Philippines Law Center, UPLC, UP Diliman, Quezon City. For more information, please contact Office of the Director, Bureau of Learning Delivery through email, Bill LC, telephone number immediately. Immediate dissemination of the strict compliance with this order is directed. Signed, our Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines and Secretary of the Department of Education, our DepEd Secretary, Sara Z. Duterte. Thank you!